bar. Carson Williams is now the leader to beat. He runs off to dance some more in the background as the driver to beat. We still have more competitors remaining here in the skills challenge, and we have the Glued to the Action replay. Don't do it to him. Just smooth moves, man. I didn't know he had that in him, man. That was ridiculous. But coming up next, put those fins together for Angelina Knock, Megalodon. On the first attempt, she went all the way across the pond. So far we've seen the drivers hit the log stack or the tires. She's the first one to use the ramp to go into the popper, and she should be feeling good as well. She